Good evening all. I am Venubabu Kakrala, District Governor 316G. Our district has 69 clubs having so many permanent projects. More than 50% of the clubs have permanent projects. We have 3 eye hospitals. One is Srimati Rajasri Ramakrishnan Eye Hospital, Nidadavolu. Another one, Rajavalli Radharaman Eye Hospital, Palakollu. Chitturi Varalakshmi Lines Eye Hospital, Tanuku. We have also one dialysis unit in Tanuku. Sri Vanka Sachinarayana Nagamani 316G Dialysis Center. We have educational institutions and community halls in Akveedu and district also. In Eluru, Yelapuri, we have one industrial training institute and degree college and one community hall also. Our district has a permanent district office from where I am talking now regarding LCF contribution in the year 22-23, $60,000 were remitted, and in the year 23-24, $65,700 were remitted. In my tenure, our district has remitted $65,300, and we hope that we can get another $20,000 also. Regarding grants, we are planning to start 2 dialysis centers. One is at Chandalapudi and another one is at Attili, and one diagnostic center at Pedavegi village also. Regarding membership, our district has 2,728 till today, and our 2 clubs are in process. 2 Leo clubs were started. We are on the way to mission 1.5. Thank you.